Capital One Money Card 101, Capital One Money Account. Capital One does not offer a specific credit card called the Capital One Money Card. However, Capital One does offer a variety of credit cards with different features and benefits, some of which may align with what you're looking for in terms of managing money or earning rewards. If you're looking for a Capital One card focused on managing money or earning cashback rewards, here are a few options you might consider. 1. Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card *. Earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, every day. No annual fee. 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for a period of time. Cashback rewards never expire. This card is suitable for those who want a simple cashback reward structure with no annual fee. 2. Capital One Platinum Credit Card *. Designed for building or rebuilding credit. No annual fee. Access to higher credit lines after making the first 5 monthly payments on time. This card is suitable for individuals who are looking to establish or rebuild their credit history. 3. Capital One Secured MasterCard *. Requires a refundable security deposit to open your credit line, which can be as low as $49. Helps build credit with responsible use. No annual fee. Access to a higher credit line after making the first 5 monthly payments on time. This card is suitable for those with limited credit history or who are working on rebuilding credit. If you're specifically interested in a debit card or prepaid card option from Capital One, they may have products available, but they might not be branded as the Capital One Money Card. I'd recommend checking their website or contacting Capital One directly for the most up-to-date information on their debit and prepaid card offerings.